Today I am going to color beautiful Barbie. Look, she has a glasses on her hair. She is very beautiful. Let's color. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to color Barbie. I am going to color Barbie. Barbie, look, Barbie has a glasses on her hair. Let's color. First, I am going to color her lips red. So guys, I'm done with red color. Now let's color her neck and her face skin color.
Hi Amira,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
So, what are you going to color today?
Barbie.
Barbie, wow! I like Barbies. I am also a Barbie.
Yes.
And what color you are going to do her hairs today?
Yellow color.
Yellow color, oh wow! My friend Barbie has a yellow color hairs. She will look beautiful.
Yes.
Wow, you are doing a beautiful coloring, Amira. I like it. Guys, please do like, share and subscribe to like Amira. Hey Amira, I will see you after some time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Wow, this Barbie is looking fantastic and so beautiful, Amira.
Yes.
What is the spelling of a Barbie?
Barbie.
Barbie. Amira, do you also have a Barbie toy?
Yes.
Can you show us?
Yes, sure.
Wow, she is so beautiful and I like her shoes. That is purple color or a pink color shoes, Amira?
Pink color.
Pink color, so beautiful.
So guys, I'm done with skin color.
Now, which is your next color?
To color her eyebrows.
Okay, which color?
Brown color.
Brown color, okay.
Not brown color, black color.
Black, yes, black will look beautiful.
Yes.
But be careful. Yes. Wow. Now this Barbie is looking so beautiful. I like the skin color you gave to her.
Yes.
So bright.
Guys, I'm done with black color. Now let's color her sunglasses light blue.
Wow, the glasses are looking stunning.
Yes.
You like sunglasses, Amira?
Yes. I do have two.
Oh, two sunglasses. Wow. Sunglasses are very necessary in the sunlight.
If you don't put on sunglasses to the beach, the sun will go inside your eyes.
Oh, yes, and it will hurt you, right?
Yes.
That's why we have to put on the sunglasses every time we go on the beach or in the sunlight.
Or to the playground.
Yes.
If you put on sunglasses, then the sun will touch on the sunglasses.
Yes, and it will not go inside your eyes, right?
Like this.
Yes.
These lights are a sun.
Yes, sunlight reflection.
Yes.
Okay, so are you done with the sunglasses?
Yes.
Okay, so what is your next step now?
To color her hair.
Okay. Oh my god, you are doing her hair pink. Wow. She is going to look you more beautiful.
Half pink, half purple.
Okay.
Pink is looking good.
Hot. It's okay, continue. head. Amira, do you also like pink color hair?
Yes.
Should we do your hair pink color?
No.
No, okay.
In La La Land.
Okay.
So guys, I'm done with pink color. I forgot to color this side hairs.
Okay, no worries. You can do it now. I think the Barbie is going to love her hair, Samira.
Yes.
It's looking so pretty and beautiful.
I am done with the pink color. Now let's color half hair purple.
Wow, this is nice idea to color her half hair with different and purple color. Wow, this is going to look more beautiful. Oh wow, Amira, you are doing it so fast. You are done with the purple color hair.
Yes.
Okay, so what is your next step?
To color her name rainbow.
Okay, in rainbow colors.
Yes.
Okay.
These are different colors that I'm using for Barbie's name. So guys, I'm done with light purple. So guys, I'm done with pink color. Now let's color blue color.
Blue color on the alphabet.
Is looking nice.
Yes. And the alphabet is R. This is a small R.
Guys, I'm done with blue color. Now let's color yellow color.
Yellow on the alphabet, small B. B for Barbie.
Yes, and ball.
B for bat. Which alphabet is that, Amira?
I.
Small I or capital I?
Small I.
Yes. I for?
Ice cream.
Yes.
Now pink color.
Pink color on the alphabet?
Look nice.
Yes. And that is a small
E.
E for?
Elephant.
Yes. Okay. I think your Barbie's name is looking beautiful in multicolor. Wow.
Guys, look at my Barbie.
Wow. Amira, you did a very beautiful job.
If you like my coloring video, hit the like button and like, share, subscribe. Bye.
Bye bye, Amira. Wow, Amira, she is looking so beautiful. And you did a very nice job. Her spelling is also looking so fantastic and amazing. Look at her glasses. I think she is ready to go on the beach. Wow.
Yes.
So, very nice.
Like, share, subscribe. Bye.
Bye bye.